Wells Fargo Arena is an extraordinarily multi-purpose facility, and we have a large number of different kinds of events. We have to set up and change over the arena pretty much every night. We have professional hockey, professional basketball, high school basketball. We have Harlem Globetrotters, we have rodeos, we have family shows for just smaller events. And pretty much every one of those kinds of events needs high quality audio to happen all the time.
The sound quality of our arena is very important to the fans. We had NCAA basketball a couple years ago and last year, and the quality of sound was not very good in certain sections due to the old system we had.
Wells Fargo Arena is a jam-packed facility schedule-wise every single year, so we didn't have a lot of time to install.
We have a good partnership with Daktronics. They did our video board several years ago.
So when we asked Daktronics to make this installation happen in under a month, they delivered big time.
Some of the challenges we have in large stadiums and arena installs are just tight timelines and making sure that all components are working right out of the box. With the Dynacord amplifiers, it was nice. We were able to plug them in, power them up, and get them up and running with minimal configuration, and everything just worked.
When designing a sound system for a venue such as this, we really want to focus on system robustness. The IPX amplifiers from Dynacord allow us to do that over the Dante network with not just a primary but a secondary network, but it also allows for the ability to add an analog backup feed in the event of a failure of the Dante network.
We used XLDs in this space because we had small sight lines to work with, and with the height of the video board and some of the beams we were working around, we needed a smaller line array speaker that still provided good audio quality.
With the Electro-Voice line arrays, it gives us the ability to turn off certain boxes that allows to shade that array if there is nobody seated in an upper section. That way we don't have sound just bouncing around in an area where there are no patrons.
So the quick mount system on the EVID S speakers was real helpful. It allowed our installers to mount the speaker and then allow us to adjust that speaker in multiple directions easily and then lock it into place.
In some cases, the speakers, like on the concourses, they're 100% better because we didn't have them in certain places.
Daktronics did a fantastic job along with Electro-Voice and Dynacord on getting a perfect system in place.
I was very impressed with how these speakers sounded. They really came together nicely. I've already have a handful of more designs on the drawing board with them in as well.
The sound quality that we've noticed in the arena, everyone has told me across the board that they hear much clearer voices. They hear sound from national anthem singers much better. The speakers have delivered exactly what we wanted.